In this video, we came to know about the effect of catalyst on rate of reaction. In last video, we know about the effect of temperature and also know about the Arrhenius equation. Okay, so right now what we will discuss about the effect of catalyst on reaction rate. We know that when temperature increases, rate of reaction increases, but sometimes what happen, if temperature is too much high, then reactant may decompose and reaction product may be changed whatever we want. So in that case, catalyst play a very important role. What catalyst do? Same thing we came to know in this lecture. व्हाट इज कैटलिस्ट? जनरली कैटलिस्ट का जो रोल है, कैटलिस्ट का रोल होता है रिएक्शन रेट को चेंज करना. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट चेंज, not increases, because catalyst can increase and decrease both rate of the reaction. Some catalysts also act as poison. We will discuss about the catalyst in detail in next lesson, surface chemistry, but right now it is sufficient to know about that catalyst may be poison also, they may act as poison also. It means they can inhibit the rate of reaction or they can decrease the rate of reaction. But in this lecture we will discuss about the catalyst which increases the rate of reaction. Now what happens, क्या करते हैं catalyst? Catalyst only alters the rate of reaction without undergoing any केमिकल चेंज. उनमें खुद में कोई चेंज नहीं होता, सिर्फ क्या करना है, उन्हें रिएक्शन रेट को चेंज करना है. Now for this we came to know about the intermediate complex formation theory. What catalysts do? Catalysts react with the reactant to form an intermediate like this. Let's suppose reactant R1, R2, two reactants are there, and catalyst combined with these reactants and intermediate like this will be formed, and after this product formation will takes place and catalyst will separate out as such without any change, without any chemical change. Now what is this? This is known as activated complex, or you can say it intermediate complex. Now what is role of this activated complex? We know about this कि कैटलिस्ट की प्रेजेंस में एक डिफरेंट पाथवे अलाउ होता है, एक डिफरेंट पाथवे चाहिए होता है रिएक्टेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स को विच हैज़ लेसर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. उसके बारे में अभी हम बात करते हैं. पहले तो हम बात करते हैं कॉलिजन्स की. हमने बात की थी कि रिएक्टेंट्स में खुद में एनर्जी होती है, बट दिस एनर्जी इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट टू मेक दीज कॉलिजन्स इफेक्टिव एंड रिएक्टेंट में कन्वर्ट इनटू द प्रोडक्ट. Means reactant required a sufficient amount of energy that equals to threshold energy. That's why they can convert into the product. Let's suppose this value is ET. You can say threshold energy value, and this is the reactant energy. But this extra amount of energy reactant required to convert into the activated complex, whatever we studied in last videos, means reactant firstly move towards what? ET. इतना energy increase होगी, उसके बाद ही वो product में convert हो पाएगा. But now what is the use of this complex in which catalyst is also involved? Catalysts involved activated complex follow a new pathway with lesser activation energy. Now look at this. In this case activation energy is this one. Okay, but in presence of catalyst it will follow a new pathway like this. This is the EA in presence of catalyst. If I talk about this, this is what? EA activation energy in presence of catalyst. ये catalyst की presence में है, और you can say this one EA is in absence of catalyst. तो what activation energy is less in presence of catalyst? और जब activation energy कम है, it means reactant required only a little amount of energy to convert into the product, to convert into the firstly transition state or activated complex, and this complex will convert into the product. It means what? Catalyst what catalyst do? Catalyst, in presence of catalyst, reactant follow a new path with lesser activation energy. That's why rate of reaction increases. In that case rate of reaction increase because catalyst की presence में reactant एक नया pathway follow करते हैं. अब देखिए कैसे इफेक्ट पता लग रहा है. We know that if EA decrease, अगर EA डिक्रीज हो रहा है मतलब एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी डिक्रीज हो रही है, इट मीन्स EA over RT will also decrease. If activation energy decrease, it's mean EA over RT again decrease. If EA over RT decrease, it's mean minus EA over RT will increase. That's clear? अगर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैटलिस्ट कम है तो ई ओवर आर टी भी कम होगा, लेसर होगा, और ई ओवर आर टी लेसर है, इट मीन्स माइनस ई ओवर आर टी इट विल हाई अप, it will increases, and exponential form of e to the power minus ea over rt will further increase. It will also increase. If it increase, we know that k equals to a e to the power minus ea over rt. If this increase, it means k also increase. And if k increase, we know that rate of reaction further increase. So what this flow chart says that in presence of catalyst, activation energy decreases. Because activation energy decreases, rate of reaction increases. तो catalyst की presence में generally rate of reaction increase होता है. Now we came to know in presence of catalyst, reactant follows a new pathway with lesser activation energy. That's why rate of reaction increase. Now in next video we came to know about the next topic. Till then, goodbye.